Hi everyone, nizere ko meze neza. Turi mu bihe byo gufasha abana bacu kwiga for them to grow wise. Ubu rero hari hagezweho ko ngiye gufasha umuhungu wanjye kwiga social studies. Tugiye kwiga social studies ariko uburyo tugiye kwigamo ni revision. Twako bariga ku ishuri birumvikana ko abakeneye umuntu umufasha kwibuka nyine ibyo yize hanyuma akabifata mu mutwe kurushaho bikazatuma n'ikindi gihe azabibazwa ku ishuri cyangwa ku kizami icyo ari cyo cyose bibe bitazamugora. Babyeyi mufite abana biga muri P6 ni umwanya wanyu mwigire hino muze twumvire hamwe uko Giyana byumva hanyuma n'abana banyu babyigireho hanyuma ibintu bigende neza kurushaho. Turi muri social studies. Rero social studies ndabona bafite contents. Unit number 1 baziga our country, then civics and governance, hygiene, bige public places and assets in our country, bige budget. Wow, ibaze ko abana biga budget ni ukuri sinari twitayeho irimo. Baziga direction and location, economic activities, natural resources, bige the people of East Africa. Oh wow, transport and communication, bige post-independence Rwanda, bige the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi. Icyanyuma baziga ni effects of foreigners. Ubwo rero muhaye ikaze ubu n'uvuga ngo bino bintu nibyo bazanyuramo umwaka wose. Nk'uko mumaze kubimenyera rero ngiye kugenda ndeba ibintu bagiye bigaho mubaze ibibazo numve niba babasha kubisubiza. Ibyo atabasha gusubiza ni ukuvuga ko abatarabimenya neza, ibyo ataramenya neza nibyo tuzagenda dufokasingaho buri munsi kugeza igihe mu mutwe we nyine ibintu bijyamo akabimenya yazakora ikizami agatsinda, yabibazwa mu ishuri yabibazwa muri national exam akaba ari ibintu yibuka ko yanabivuze na mama yabibajije. Twagiye kubaza ikibazo cya mbere. Turi kuri unit number 1 yihe our country. In primary 5 we learned about our province. Our country Rwanda is divided into how many provinces?
5 provinces.
Correct. Can you tell me the 5 provinces of our country?
Kigali City Province, Northern Province, Southern Province, Eastern Province, Western Province.
Correct. Murana ko ibi yarabimetirije arabizi neza, azi ko igihugu cyacu kigizwe na provinces 5 harimo ziriya zose avuze. Congratulations to Giyani. Mu bigaragara babafashe no gushushanya nyine map ashushanya u Rwanda, yanabikoze neza yewe uzi gushushanya koko. Okay, now we keep going. So we say that Rwanda has 5 provinces, right?
Yes.
So how many districts?
It has 30 districts.
30 districts, correct. And how many sectors?
416 sectors.
Well, Rwanda has 2,148 cells. And how many villages?
It has 14,338.
837. It means Rwanda has 14,837 villages. Wabyumvishe? Hano uracyategwamo. So the total size or area of Rwanda is
26,338
what? Which
kilometer squares.
Okay, that's it. Nibyo rwose ako wagakoze. So each province is headed by which? A governor. True. Who heads the district?
District is headed by a mayor.
Correct. And who heads a sector?
Sector is headed by executive secretary.
Correct. You did it. So, can you tell me the location of Rwanda on the map of East Africa?
Rwanda is located in western side.
Oh, really? Not in the east?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go. Can you tell me the countries of East African Community? What we call EAC.
Rwanda, Somalia, Kenya, Tanzania, DR Congo.
You now said 5?
Somalia, I said it.
Yeah, you said it.
Burundi, Uganda.
One is missing.
Kenya, I said it.
One is missing. Okay, can you repeat over? Start over.
DR Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Somalia, DR Congo.
You are repeating it. Only 2 are missing. South
Sudan, and
okay, last chance. Let's start over.
South Sudan, DR Congo, Rwanda, Uganda, Burundi, Tanzania, Somalia, and
one is missing.
Burundi, I said it. Kenya.
Yeah, Kenya. You were missing Kenya. Bravo, you made it. So for you to memorize it well, okay? Let's see. We will find a way to memorize this so that you never forget it, okay?
Yes.
Remind me in the afternoon. I will show you what to do, okay?
Yes.
Now let's go for the countries which are bordering Rwanda. Tell me the countries that are bordering Rwanda. Countries, okay?
DR Congo, Tanzania, Burundi, Uganda.
Uganda, there are 4. What did you say? Can you repeat?
DR Congo, Uganda, Tanzania, Burundi.
Correct. So you're going to see the location of Rwanda on the map of Africa. Let me see the question I will be asking you. Can you tell me the natural borders between Rwanda and her neighbor?
Tanzania is River Akagera, Burundi River Akanyaru, DR Congo Lake Kivu, Uganda volcanoes.
Okay. Can you tell me the challenges or problems the landlocked countries face?
Too much tax,
high taxes,
insecurity,
yes.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. Normally, high taxes that are charged. Sibyo? Wavuze na insecurity. hari n'ikintu bita delay of goods. Ni ukuvuga ngo ibintu byabo iby'ibicuruzwa byabo bitinda kubageraho kubera ko baba badaturanye nyine n'inyanja cyangwa iki, sibyo? Hari na rotten of goods, ibintu byabo hari igihe byangirika bikabora. Uri kubyumva? I hope, ndizera ko utaha kitazakunanira. There is high taxes, sibyo? Delay of goods, insecurity, rotten of goods. Wabyumvise? Can you repeat them?
Rotten of goods, insecurity, delay of goods, and high taxes.
Correct. Why? Because Rwanda has two important seaports.
Dar es Salaam seaport and Mombasa seaport.
Correct. What is the name of your district?
Kicukiro district.
Kicukiro district, correct. Your district is found in which province?
Kigali City province.
Correct. Name two districts neighboring your district.
Rwamagana and Gasabo. Nyarugenge is the south.
Okay, correct. What is the total area of Rwanda?
26,338.
What? You have to put it. Never forget that, okay?
Yeah.
Rwanda is divided into how many provinces?
Rwanda is divided into 5 provinces.
Into 5 provinces. How many districts?
30 districts.
Divided into how many sectors?
416 sectors.
416
sectors.
And divided into how many cells?
4,148.
Really? Oh yeah, that one handitse
2,148.
Yeah, 2,148. You have to memorize this. And how many villages?
40,000.
40,000?
Yes.
14.
Yes, 14,000.
800.
800.
Okay, you really have to emphasize on this.
40,837.
But it's not 40,000, it's 14. 14,300. No, 14,837. Okay. Now, what is the largest country in East Africa?
DRC Congo.
DR Congo, okay. Give names of the countries of East Africa share borders with Rwanda.
Uganda, Burundi, DR Congo, and Tanzania.
Okay. On the map of East Africa, Rwanda is located on which side?
Of East Africa. Eastern side.
Maybe okay.
Western side.
It's western side. Okay. Name the main borders between Rwanda and the following countries. Burundi, main border.
Burundi, main border is River Akanyaru.
For Tanzania,
River Akagera.
For Uganda,
volcanoes.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the map?
Map is representation of an object seen and drawn from above.
Okay.
From above.
Name 4 elements of a good map.
A key, region, scale, and compass direction.
Correct. What importance is a compass to a pilot?
To know the direction.
Okay. Here is a question. John traveled from Rwanda to Burundi. Which compass direction did he take?
Southern direction.
Okay. Why?
Because Burundi is located in the south of Rwanda.
Okay. Name the problem John is likely to face when reading map without a key.
He will not interpret the symbols on the map.
Okay. Why do you think a map without title present a problem for a monk reader?
Because without title, he cannot know if it's the map of what.
True. Rwanda is landlocked country. Explain why.
Because it doesn't have access to ocean or sea.
Correct. Explain the least three challenges faced by landlocked countries of East Africa.
High taxes, insecurity, rotten goods.
Correct. 3 are complete because we have seen 4. Okay. High taxes, delay of goods, rotten goods, and what? Insecurity. That's simple. Name 3 examples of landlocked countries of East Africa.
Rwanda, South Sudan, Burundi, Uganda.
Okay. Now name 3 examples of landlocked countries found in East Africa. 3 non-landlocked countries found in East Africa.
Kenya, DR Congo, Somalia.
Are you sure?
Yes.
DR Congo, Kenya. Does Kenya touch the sea?
Yes.
Which sea?
Red Sea.
Okay. Name 2 main Rwanda's ports that handle Rwanda's export and imports in Africa, in East Africa.
Mombasa, seaport, and Dar es Salaam seaport.
Okay, Mombasa seaport in Kenya, Dar es Salaam seaport in Tanzania. Okay. You need to be clear. Sivyo? Yes. We are going to explain 2 importance of map. 2 importance of map.
It's used to know new roads, and is used to know the direction.
The location of things.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go. In which province of Rwanda are the following features? Lake Kivu.
Is located in Western Province.
Volcanoes National Park
is located in Western Province also.
Akagera National Park.
Akagera is located in Eastern.
And Nyungwe National Park.
Also in Eastern.
Ethnographic Museum of Rwanda.
Kigali City.
Name 2 cash crops grown in your province.
Coffee, sugarcane.
Okay. Can you give 2 areas where fishing is practiced?
Western Province, on Lake Kivu, and on River Kagera.
Name 2 natural forests of Rwanda.
Nyungwe Forest, Akagera National Park.
Nyungwe Forest and Akagera. Okay. Name 5 economic activities carried out by people.
Fishing, teaching,
When you do this,
driving,
farming. Okay. Name two examples of subsistence uh, subsistence crops grown in Rwanda.
Don't know them.
Sugarcane and coffee too. Okay. So let's stop by here. Let's go for lunch. And thank you for answering all the questions. So dear parents, I think you can see that Gianni tries out, ari kugerageza ibintu byinshi arabisubiza. Nkamwe rero b'ababyeyi muze kugerageza musubiranemo n'abana bino bibazo, bagende bareba niba babyumva kandi babizi, birabafasha, bazagenda bibuka ko mwagiye mubisubiranamo mu gihe cy'ibizamini, bizaborohera cyane. Kandi ndakeka ko twese hamwe twabyize, ari ababyeyi bize, ari uwareba ino video wese hari ikintu yungukiyemo. So dushimire cyane Gianni kubw'ibisubizo yaduhaye. Thank you very much.